Hi, this is Brad Yoakum, and this week with QB Cure, we're going to learn about QuickBooks Online attachments. The one cool feature with attachments is you can attach your receipts, your bills inside QuickBooks and have it all in one place. So let me show you how it's done. There's a few things you can either do it on your desktop or your QuickBooks app. But in both places they will work together and sync together so you don't have to do one and then do the other. So, but one important note that you have to turn this on for it to work if you want to do billable time or if you want to bill to specific customers, which can help you with job costing. So let me show you. On QuickBooks Online, I just have a sample, my own sample company. And if you hit the gear icon and you go under Accounts and Settings, you got to turn this on for it to show up on your app and also on your QuickBooks Online. Take that out. And if you go to expenses, make sure these are turned on, or at least a couple of them are turned on. It says make expenses and items billable. For some, that may not be a big deal. For others, it will be. Track expenses and item by customer. That's kind of a really cool feature to have, especially doing it on your iPhone. And show items table on expense and purchase forms. So I just went ahead and turned everything on over here, even though not all of it's going to apply for today. But how it can work is if you go to your expenses, and let's just go into our expense tab, load this up, and we will say, okay, I just set up, the payee was Elvis Presley stuff. I like Elvis, so I put him in there. And you'll see the category, your usual, let's say it was a contractor, and the amount is $500. The customer, I just put my Jim, No Limit Jim, in there as the customer. And now, see this attachment column at the bottom? You can simply click right here under attachments, and you can go to where you want it on your computer. So if you have downloads and you have scan 63, you can choose any of the ones that you want to add as an attachment and simply have it available. So you can do your bills, you can do your receipts, any number of things you want to attach this expense to. So that's how you do it on your QuickBooks Online version. So let me show you how this works now if you have the QuickBooks app and how the download works. So let me go to my app. And they've done a number of changes to the app through recent years. It's pretty slick how it can work. Okay, so from this, so right when you get in, this is the screen you would see. I'll go back. The plus sign at the bottom, the blue plus sign at the bottom, you click on that, and then you hit expense, and now you can choose the expense. So let's say you're paying that $500, and you're going to pay it. I haven't set up a bank account, but that's where you would choose the bank account. And then it says, where did you pay? Or I'm sorry, it says, who did you pay? What kind of expense? Who was that for? And that one, who was it for? That's where you would choose your customer or job or project to identify that. And then if it's billable or not, and if you want to put any comments or anything else in there, you can. But you can choose all of that right here. And then that little photo area is where you would take a photo of the receipt or the bill or the backup that you wanted the payment to be associated to, and you just simply take the picture. And if you need to break up the transaction into various expense accounts, let's say, you can just say add a split. The reference number could be the bill number or the invoice number, and the memo. So this is really, really cool, and you can even do by check or by, once you have your credit cards are set up, your your bank account, your debit card. You can have it all set up right through here. And it syncs automatically to your QuickBooks Online account. So again, you don't have to do one on the online version and then one on your mobile phone. Both are tied together. So that's, in a nutshell, how to use attachments. So thanks for listening to this segment regarding attachments. And if you have any questions, check us out at www.qbcure.com. And please like and subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing you again real soon. Take care.